Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is a video number 35. In this video, we will learn freeze panes in Excel. So let's start. Let's start with the freeze panes. It helps you keep specific rows or columns visible while scrolling through the rest of your data. First is a freeze top row to keep the header row always visible. So I just go to the View tab. In Windows Group, click on the Freeze Panes drop-down arrow and select here the Freeze Top Row. Keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of your worksheet. So I just click on it, and here you can check the preview also. The top row is a blue indicate. It means this top row will freeze of the sheet. Okay. I just click on it, and here you can see the one line here showing the first row is freeze. You can see when you drag the first row, okay, top row is visible. If you want to unfreeze, again go to the View tab in Windows Group, click on the Freeze Panes drop-down arrow and click on the Unfreeze pane, and that's it. Your first top row is unfreeze. Okay, that's it. Next, freeze first column. To lock the first column, so go to the View tab. Okay, in Windows Group, click on the Freeze Panes drop-down arrow and click on the Freeze First column. You can check here the preview also. The blue is indicate the freeze area. Okay, keep the first column visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. I just click on it, and you can see in your sheet the first row is freeze. When I just click on the cell and use the right arrow to scroll, you can see the first column is freeze. That's it. To unfreeze it, same as go to the View tab in the window, click on the Freeze pane and click on the Unfreeze pane, and that's it. The first column is unfreeze. Next is a freeze panes. So here I go to the sheet number 2 and select the cell, and now I go to the View tab. In Windows Group, click on the Freeze Panes, and here the first option, the Freeze Pane. Keeps rows and column visible while the rest of the worksheet scroll based on your selection. Okay, so I select this cell and just click on this first option. So you can see as per the selection of the cell, the freeze area is indicate the column and row. Okay, so that's it. To unfreeze is go to the again View tab in Windows Group, click on the Freeze pane and click on the Unfreeze pane options, and that's it. Next, the split view option lets you divide your worksheet into multiple sections so you can view different parts of your data at once. So let's start. First, select your cell and go to the View tab. In Windows Group, click on the Split option. Here you can see the one icon indicate split. Just click on the split, and here you can see your worksheet in split in different part. Okay, you just scroll and you can check here your data also. It's split with the different part. Okay, so that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.